Hello, students. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of rational numbers. You might be wondering, what are rational numbers? Well, a rational number is any number that can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. For example, 7 by 3 is a rational number, and so is 5, because 5 can be written as 5 by 1. That means all kinds of numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractions, and even decimals, are rational numbers. Let's explore some cool properties of addition for rational numbers. The closure property of addition tells us that when you add two rational numbers together, the result is always another rational number. For example, if you add 5 by 3 and 2 by 9, the result is still a rational number. The commutative property of addition means you can add two rational numbers in any order, and you'll still get the same result. For instance, 7 by 5 plus 4 by 13 equals 4 by 13 plus 7 by 5, no matter which one you start with. The associative property of addition lets you group three or more rational numbers in any way, and you'll always get the same result. For example, 3 by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 7 equals 3 by 4 plus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 2 equals 3 by 7 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 2. Then there's the distributive property of addition, which allows you to either add and then multiply or multiply first and then add. Whichever way you do it, the result will be the same. For example, 3 by 4, 2 by 5 plus 2 by 7, x to 3 by 4 is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4, 2 by 7. And finally, the additive identity. When you add 0 to any rational number, the number stays exactly the same. For example, 2 by 3 plus 0 is still 2 by 3. Now let's move on to subtraction. Just like with addition, the closure property of subtraction means that subtracting one rational number from another gives you yet another rational number. If you subtract 1 by 2 from 3 by 4, you'll still end up with a rational number. However, unlike addition, subtraction is non-commutative, which means that changing the order of the numbers gives different results. For example, 4 by 5 minus 1 by 3 is not the same as 1 by 3 minus 4 by 5. Subtraction is also not associative, meaning the way you group the numbers affects the outcome. Subtracting 2 by 5, 3 by 4, and 1 by 2 in different ways will give you different results. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about multiplication. With the closure property of multiplication, multiplying two rational numbers always gives you another rational number. For instance, multiplying 1 by 2 by 2 by 3 gives you 1 by 3, which is still a rational number. The commutative property of multiplication means you can multiply numbers in any order, and the result will be the same. So, 2 by 3 or 4 by 5 gives the same result as 4 by 5's 2 by 3. And don't forget the associative property of multiplication, which lets you group numbers differently while multiplying, and you'll still end up with the same product. The multiplicative identity tells us that multiplying any rational number by 1 leaves it unchanged. For example, 5 by 7 and 1 is still 5 by 7. Lastly, the zero property of multiplication shows us that anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. If you multiply 5 by 7 by 0, the answer is 0. Now let's take a look at division. The closure property of division applies too. Dividing two rational numbers, except by 0, results in another rational number. For instance, 1 by 2, 1 by 8 equals 2, which is a rational number. If you divide a non-zero rational number by itself, you'll always get 1. For example, 5 by 7 equals 1. And the reciprocal of a rational number is just the flipped version of the fraction. For example, the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. When you multiply a number by its reciprocal, you'll always get 1. Rational numbers can even be represented on a number line. Positive rational numbers are placed to the right of 0, and negative ones to the left. For example, 4 by 5 is to the right, and minus 5 by 6 is to the left. So, here's a fun question for you. What is the property of addition that says adding two rational numbers will always result in another rational number? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 8 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.